Before you start yugiing, wash your hands. Make sure your surface is clean. Let's begin. Push out each piece and place in sequence. And don't forget to read our fun facts. Now we are ready to start yugiing. Glue L1 and R1 together. Apply the glue near the edges of the pieces, but don't use too much glue. Hold for 20 seconds. Squeeze the edges of the A bar and B bar. Put the A bar and B bar in the slots. Start adding the next pieces in order. Did you know?
The famous chest beating of gorillas is used as a communication tool between each other. They do this to size each other up, and it can help avoid fights against larger rivals.
Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Push through that bar. Did you know?
Gorillas live in family groups called troops, and the silverback is the leader. The troops sleep together in the fresh nest they build every night.
Let's repeat with the right side. Continue adding the pieces. Did you know?
Our fellow primates are sadly at risk. All gorilla species are critically endangered due to the habitat destruction and poaching. Ape Action Africa runs a primate sanctuary in Cameroon to help those that are in danger.
Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Add the final pieces using the alignment guide. Don't forget the thumbs. Glue the piece together and insert into the slot. All complete! When you are finished, don't forget to tidy up and recycle the cardboard panels.
Bring home your whale! Yugi!
Meet more Yugi friends on our website.